uphill and it's cambered, and then it goes even to a tight left turn up even higher. God, I hope I don't loop out and just like eat again. I just healed. Let's see. Power level 5, 50 volts, first gear, both pedal and throttle on. Holy fuck. Yes! Celebrate good times. Come on! And then walk down this gradient here. And you see all these. This is what I aided on. That route, that one's where I got caught. So I had to come into it, and you can see if I'm holding it level to the hill. It's steep. It only gets steeper, and it's nothing but tricky. And I just made it up. First gear, power level 5. It goes up. Bumps, traction, harder, a little bit higher to the top. And then it continues uphill. This really hard section right here. I'm gonna have to come around that route to get her through this one right here. Make it up the top of this. It just gets like steep right here. Super insane. Walking it up is slippery. It's loose, all loose stuff. Need some more ruts. Still power level 5. Throttle. Power mode, power level 5. So, and PAS is on with the throttle. First gear on my derailleur. This is sketchy. I made it, but I looped out just at the top because it gets hella steep. I mean, let's take a look at the stairs here. They're supposed to walk down. That gives me an indication on the gradient uphill. About as just as steep as a set of stairs, if not more, in some spots.